Hi everyone, you're watching a video that is part of my BitBucket Pipelines series. In this video, I will show you how you can deploy a website to Amazon S3 by using S3 Website and BitBucket Pipelines. Before we begin, make sure that you have an S3 bucket that was set up for static website hosting and that you have access to credentials for it. If you don't know how to do this, check out my other video on static website hosting with Amazon S3. If you have all that, let's get going. So for the purpose of this video, I created a simple project with a website and with an S3 website configuration file. So let me show you the website. The website is located under the site directory in the index.html file, and it's just a bare bones HTML file, just says hello world. I'm a website that was deployed through BitBucket Pipelines by using S3 Website. Oh, and by the way, I'm hosted on Amazon S3 for ultimate scalability and performance. Now in the root of my directory here, I also have an S3 website YAML configuration file. And in here, I basically tell S3 website to which bucket it should deploy, how it should authenticate itself, and where it can find my website. So here I'm saying that it can find my S3 ID in the S3_ID environment variable, and that it can find my secret key, my password, in the S3_secret environment variable. I also tell it that the location of my website is in the site directory and that it should push my website to the BitBucket Pipelines bucket. So now I'm going to enable BitBucket Pipelines for this repository, and I'm going quickly over this because, well, I've shown this a number of times already now. So this time I'm going to the settings and I'm going to enable it. I'm going to just take a sample configuration file, create a BitBucket pipeline, paste that in here. Now what's special about this configuration is that we're going to use yet another Docker image to run our tests and to deploy our website. This time we're using one from Atlassian, and it's called S3 Website. And the only command that we're going to run is we're going to run S3 Website with the push command. So this will push our website live to Amazon S3 by using the S3 website YAML configuration file. Now before I commit this file, I just really quickly have to create the environment variables for this to work. Remember, I showed you these just a moment ago. So I'm going to open up a new tab, go to the settings, go to environment variables, and I'm going to set S3_ID, and then I'm going to copy this off my other screen here. And I'm also going to say S3_secret and give it this value, make it secured, go add. Okay, that's our environment variables. Let's go back to our BitBucket pipeline configuration file. And this is all set, so I'm going to commit this. I'm going to leave the default commit message and I'm going to hit commit. And once again, BitBucket has automatically started a new build for our pipeline. So let me open up the output of the build to see what is happening. And let me fast forward this video. And sure enough, after just under a minute, this pipeline has completed. So I can go here, I can see what it did. It did the S3 website push, and I can see here it created an index.html file in my bucket, which is right now the only file for my website. And it also tells me the URL that I can go to view my website. So that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about BitBucket Pipelines, check out the rest of this series. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel or follow me on Twitter.